Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 1988 to 1995 pickup trucks. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or remove the bed from your frame. Then, remove the bolt retaining your leaf spring hanger with an 18mm socket and 21mm wrench. Cut off the leaf spring bracket on the underside of your frame rail. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Our part features 2 perforated plates that you can remove to fit over your existing rear raised bed mount and middle raised bed mount. If you plan to keep your mounts, remove the plates at this time. If not, cut off the mounts you don't wish to keep. Step 4. After removing the necessary plates, push down your leaf spring with your foot and slide your mid-frame section onto the frame. Tap it into place using a hammer. You can clamp your part into place using C-clamps to ensure a tight fit. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your mid-frame section onto the frame. Step 5. After tacking your part into place, take the included leaf spring bracket and hold it up to your leaf spring. Slide in the included bolt and screw on the nut, followed by tightening the hardware with an 18mm socket and 21mm wrench. Then, hold the bracket with the attached leaf spring up to your frame and align it with the markings provided. Once you have it in place, tack it into place before welding the bracket on fully. Then, weld the rest of your frame section on fully. If you removed your rear raised bed mount or mid raised bed mount, we show you how to reinstall it using the installation videos on our YouTube channel. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done!